Friends, welcome to my channel Seek Automation. In this session, we will talk about Karate Automation Framework. And today we will discuss what is Karate Framework, how to configure the Karate Framework, how to handle the request in Karate Framework. So let's start with what is Karate, right? So the Karate is nothing but it is a tool from which we can easily automate the REST API testing, or if you want to do the REST assured testing or API testing, right? So this framework is useful for those. Basically, it provides very good infrastructure and framework which we can utilize to automate all the REST API testing without doing any kind of coding. So let's start with how to create the Karate framework in Eclipse. First, what you need to do is you need to create the sample project, which is the Maven. Make sure the Maven is installed in your Eclipse. Just create the Maven project, like type Maven, create the Maven project. After that, select create a sample project, click on next. Here, the group ID you can type with the project name like demo karate. Artifact ID you can type your organization name or anything you want to. Karate Seiko automation, right? So click on finish. It will take some time to complete this. So yeah, here we have the Karate Seiko automation. Perfect. So now we can create one. So once we have the pom.xml is ready, just click on this. What you need to do, you just need to add the dependency here. So once I'll share later, once the video is complete, what the version we are using here. So the dependency is added in your Karate framework. Now what you need to do is the major advantage of this framework is you don't need to create the step definition for this. But while if you are using Cucumber, right? So in that case you need to create the step definition. So let's start to feature file. Name is demo karate dot feature. Fine. So here we can type feature file. I don't know what is. Okay, click on OK. Now we have the demo karate feature file where feature is URL API testing scenario get call test. This is the URL for request, get request, then status is 200. What we are doing is we just need to hit this URL, then we are checking the method. So we have the demo karate feature file where the scenario is we are going to check the URL whether if we are hitting this URL then we will get the 200 response code or not, right? This is the basic simple of to validate or to check the get request in Karate framework. Now what you need to do is you just need to create the runner file, right? But runner, or you can type test runner. Perfect. So in now it is creating the default package. Fine. So what we need to do, we need to create one more package demo. Perfect. Now we can move our all file here. Okay, so now we have the demo package. Inside that we are using run with command karate dot class. Import the run with package. Perfect. Okay. Now the runner file is also ready. We have the biggest advantage of this framework. We don't need to write step definition file as when we are comparing with Cucumber. In that case you need to write down the step definition, but without coding knowledge you cannot move ahead, right? So in that case this is the biggest advantage of this framework. Now we have, yes, now we can run this test and test runner file. Okay. Ew. Yes. Yes, it is going to start. Starting handshake. See, we can. Oh, good. Here's the scenario. Scenario one past cases one. Basically, yes. Now you can also drop navigate to this get call request is passed. Perfect. So if you want to perform the negative testing with this framework, in that case also you can modify as we are checking get request. We can also modify 400 or 402, right? Let's start executing this scenario. Whether the test case is getting failed or not. Okay, here we go. Yes, it is. It is showing one test case is failed, right? So what actually we are doing is we are validating the response code with the help of Karate framework. You can also go through this URL. This URL I'll share later on. Here you can just scroll it down. You can find the Maven. So we in this session we have already what is Karate framework understanding and the configuration part and how to handle the one sample request. So please like and subscribe for if you are facing any doubt to configure the Karate framework, please comment on this channel. Thanks.